Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can easily transfer money from Wells Fargo to Navy Federal. Let's get started. Now, first open your browser and go to Wells Fargo website. Make sure you are signed in to Wells Fargo account. Right? The sign in is on the top. Enter your username and password and then sign in. And then click on then once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard, right? And this is where you can see your accounts, balances, and transfer options. All right. To get started, select the accounts you would like to transfer from. All right. And then select the account you would like to transfer to. Now, to transfer money between accounts at Wells Fargo and accounts at another bank, select Add Non-Wells Fargo accounts. This is to make sure you're sending to another bank that is not Wells Fargo, right? So the rest of the process is very simple, and you will also see the option like you will be all right. So when you add this one, you will be asked to enter the details of the external bank. For Navy Federal, you will need the routing number and your account number. If you don't have this, you can find them in your Navy Federal account information. And once you enter the account details, Wells Fargo will verify the external account. This may take up to 1 to 3 days, uh, depending on factors, etc. And once verified, you will be able to transfer money directly to your Navy Federal bank account. And while you wait for the verification, make sure your Navy Federal account is ready for transfers. And so that's it. There's nothing else to do here right now. You can follow the steps here, right? Since to you can see the FAQs, and if you need to edit or delete anything in the transfer, you can use this section right here, and that's about it. Your money will typically arrive in your Navy Federal account in 1 to 3 business days, depending on the transfer method. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.